Hello friends, Mehjabin here. Today I am going to focus on the Ijardari system of revenue collection in India during the British rule. So, let's get started. In the olden days in India, the people could hold on to their lands for life. Generations after generations of farmers cultivated in the same piece of land. Nobody had the power to drive these farmers out of their lands as long as they could pay a part of their produce as tax. The Indian villages were basically self-sufficient. When Sher Shah Suri was ruling over India, the land belonging to the farmers was measured and pattas or written records of land ownership was given for the first time. Revenue or tax was charged on the basis of fertility of the soil, and during the time when the mansabdari system of the Mughals was prevalent, the farmers were allowed to pay a reduced amount of tax. At times, they could even skip paying revenue altogether. The Ijardari system was a method of tax collection which had actually started in India during the time of Shah Jahan. This system progressed more during the time of Aurangzeb. According to this system, the right of collecting the revenue of a particular area was auctioned to the highest bidder. The practice of the Ijardari system spread all over India in the 18th century, especially in the old Mughal provinces like Bengal, Awadh and Hyderabad. In the year 1773, Warren Hastings introduced the Ijardari system in Bengal, and according to this system, he assumed that all land belonged to the state. The Ijardari system was the first land tenure system that the British started in India. Under it, the right of collecting revenue of a particular area was given to the highest bidder during an auction. This right was given to the bidder for a period of 5 years. The farmers, traders and shopkeepers were required to pay their taxes to the Ijardari or contractor, who also happened to be the highest bidder to the English East India Company. The Ijardari system failed because it had several drawbacks. The Ijaridars or contractors tried to extract more and more from the farmers and were not concerned about the improvement of the land. They did not bother if the yield was low. They lacked sensitivity for the miserable conditions of the peasants who had to pay tax even if their land lacked fertility. Another problem was that the productivity of the land that would be allotted to a bidder was not taken into consideration when the auction was happening or when the bidding was going on. So, the contractor who eventually got the contract and became an Ijaridar was not interested in improving the quality of the cultivated land under his authority. The bid system was an uncertain one. The Ijaridar was never sure if he would be able to retain the contract after the 5-year term was over. This uncertainty over his status compelled him to be insensitive to the peasants. As a result, the Ijardari system failed. That's all for today. See you very soon in my next video. Bye.